That's my buddy Cosmo. I weathered this dude myself. Well, me and that person I don't know when to talk to. Anyway, he's my boy. Look at that shit. Good boy. Oh, your beard is weak dick though, dude. Check the beard. Hey, look at this beard. Now, this homie right here. What's up, bud? You got the beard, man. Let's see if he'll talk to me without any food. What's up, Romeo? What's up, buddy? Oh, thank you, buddy. You're such a good boy. Now I can just get them little youngsters to say hi to me. Life is good.